Installation of Git. This is absolutely a software. So you might think about like how we can install Git in our system so that we can maintain a version control system. So first of all, it's like it is like available for any of the operating system. It's not constrained to only one of the operating systems and so on. So installation has it with Debian Ubuntu, that is the Linux distribution system, as well as Windows and Mac OS. So Git is not installed by default on any of the GNU or the Linux distribution or any operating system. You need to install it. It is not by default installed in the operating system. So before you can use Git, you must install it. The steps to install the Git depends on the vendor and the version of the operating system. So first of all, focusing on Linux. Linux is like you have these set of commands. So many Linux vendors provide pre-compiled kind of a binary packages to make installation of new applications, tools and utilities easy. Each package specifies its dependencies and its distribution with the package manager. Typically installs the prerequisites of the desired package in the full loop. So this is what is all about in Linux. And $wget, the command given over here for Git, http kernel, pub software, scm git, and this is the tar of the Git. Then you need to extract that particular tar and give a path to that Git. Another thing is nothing but using a command which is like, I'll show you in the next slide. This is my next slide. That is, you need to say sudo emerge dev util git, and next you have to mention sudo yum install git. So this set of commands which I mentioned now, it will help you for the installation of Git in Linux distribution system. So here you need to understand one more thing. It has every type of the developer tools. So be sure to verify that the distribution packages for the Git are specifically up to date after Git is installed on your system. Run Git version to understand which kind of version it is. If your collaborators use more modern version of Git, you may have to replace your distributions pre-compile Git packages with a build of your own. Consult your package manager documentation for the same thing. So this is what is all about the Git. Next is let's go to the website of Git and understand the installation of Git for Windows. So I'll go to my browser. This is my browser. So GitLab is the major source, you can see. It's a place where the Git repositories is actually present. So now I'll go to the website, official website of Git. So this is my official website of Git. SCM, that is a source code manager, it wants to say. So Git has, the website is gitscm.com. Now before understanding about the Windows and installing Windows, let's go. This is the URL for downloads. So downloads has it for macOS, Windows, Linux and Solaris. So from this only you can understand that Git supports for a number of the operating system. It is not constrained to only one operating system. So there are two competing packages for Windows. Okay, so if you say for Windows now, it has it like for 32-bit and 64-bit. It automatically downloads the packages which is present over here. So I'm downloading that particular package. Once it is done, we'll run for the setup. So a short notice about understanding Git for Windows is like if you're using a Cygwin kind of a software on Windows, you need to just download the file names. Or else the best thing is to download the executable and run it on your system. So that executable file we are downloading now, that is nothing but the standalone Git. That is my msysgit package, you can see, which is downloading for now. So once this download is done completely, I will run the particular system and make you realize that how Git is exactly downloaded in Windows. Yeah. So let's go to my downloads thing, Chrome downloads. Okay. So I have already downloaded it. Now I'm going to run this particular file. The Git setup, I'm going to run it. It has a GNU public license in it. So I'm just running it. It has a git bash, git GUI and all other associative functions. Use Git from the git bash only. This is the best way because it consists of the command prompt and many other tools which we wanted to install. So we are doing it in that particular manner only. And it has the open SSH. That is nothing but the SSH protocol which works for it. So yes, I'm going to do it in the similar fashion. It's using in the Windows style, Unix style that you will use. Have a separate command prompt for Git. That is a terminal. And that's all. So I'm installing the Git on my system. It takes a while. It's like a simple executable software which any software has it. So we are installing it in our system. That is, our system is actually Windows 64-bit operating system. It takes a few minutes, but it will be done ASAP. So let's wait for a while. You can say a number of packages are getting extracted. So it is installing. So it says that it is installed on, it's getting installed on your computer. So once this is done, it will be immediately get it immediately installed. So yeah. So I want to launch git bash. So this is my terminal, which you can see for now. So this terminal is similar to any kind of, you can see, the Linux distribution terminal, which helps to execute the set of commands of Git and the repository, which is very, very important to understand. Like terminal is the only source, or you can say a kind of a shell scripting kind of thing, which helps to commit your changes, update the changes, and like get an update from like push, pull, all kind of operations which we will learn in the upcoming chapters.